Hi, I'm Marshall Kirkpatrick, and I am really excited to share with you today what's up with that. That's what I call my AI toolkit to help you read smarter, learn faster, and make better decisions. If you work in strategy or research or innovation, sales or competitive intelligence, I think you're going to find this enjoyable and useful. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you're reading something on the internet, or an email, or a report, or watching a YouTube video. In this case, I'm looking at this article about data centers coming into communities. And you might ask, what's up with that? When you run what's up with that, in 10 seconds, we're going to do three things. First, we're going to contextualize what you are reading. We're going to build a real-time map of the state of the art in this specific field, and then tell you what the three most significant parts of what you're reading are, given that context. Second, we're going to provide a big toolbox full of analytical and extension capabilities, from getting a reading recommendation list of what you should read next, to spinning up a common sense critique of what you're reading, to a whole drawer full of power tools. There are 35 mental models, research tools, and analytical lenses here. And you can click Generate Research Plan to get a plan automatically recommended for you and run with one click. So analyzing and extending on your research is the second thing that you can do with what's up with that. The third thing is that it helps compound your learning. With every page you analyze, we will check in the background to see if there are data points relevant to any decisions that you are actively researching. Once you've gathered data points, you can synthesize them into a report with source citations. And the reading review function will analyze common threads and themes across the most recent articles that you've read. Compounding your learning is a powerful capability across many of the different features in What's Up With That. So I hope that you find this enjoyable and super useful. Thanks for taking a look, and good luck out there on the internet. Let's take it on together.